everyone, I'm Tulika and welcome to my channel Beauty Attack. Glowing face with beautiful skin is what every woman desires. It makes us look stunning, confident and attractive. But now it's summertime, so इतना गर्मी, इतना pollution, इतना harsh environment, इस सब में skin का proper care करना always possible नहीं होता है. Even daily facial या spa ये भी possible नहीं होता है. But do not worry. In today's video, I'm going to tell you a simple home remedy. It's ice facial, which is a very common beauty trend in Korea. मैं 4 different ice के steps दिखाऊंगी and I have named them beauty ice. So in Beauty Attack, I will show you the recipe of beauty ice. So let's begin. This video, please do not forget to give me a big fat thumbs up and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye and take care.